Hello, Albert Einsteins. Today, I will be playing The Angry of the Birds. No, I am not a new player, even though I did have to go through the tutorial. It only happens when you delete the app and reinstall it. Before I deleted the game, I was about right. Oh, well, I was past this area. Definitely was. I was like a level 100 something. Maybe 103 or something, I don't know, can't remember. No, 143, that's what it was. But, as you can see, I am back here. So sad. Anywho, let's play. See how easy that was. Now, last time I played this game was before Shade was added. How do I know her? Because of... Don't blame me on this, but YouTube Shorts. Wow. Okay, let's get past this. Oh yeah. No, not red. Fed. The federal agents. Feds. Oh, a key. One bird key. Bomb is recommended. Fine. I know how you work, Bomb. I played the first game when it came out. Well, I'm not that old. I played it, though, before it got removed. What? So many bombs. Alright, let's go. I used to be a master at this game, but unfortunately, I gotta restart. What? Are you stupid? Thanks. Now. You know, I played when the Sonic collab was a thing. I got Sonic for everyone. Red was Sonic. Chuck was Tails. I think. Phil. Okay. There we go. Now, let's see here. Oh yeah, every time I see those flowers, I gotta go with it, especially with the big guy right here. Did he say, excuse me, sir? There must be someone you can... God damn it, I forgot the lyrics. Oh well, whatever. It's the worst time to forget the lyrics, bro. I just added too. There must be someone you can hear me for if I can speak to someone. Okay, actually, yeah, this calls for done. Choo! Don't you play game with me now? Okay, there. Now, bombs. Wow, so realistic. Now, let's see. Let's see what I can do. Do that. There we go. That's good play. You obviously know what bird I'm gonna use here. Yeah, because oh, no, okay. It's Chef. You have okay, the last bird I'm ever gonna unlock, is the blues. Because when are you actually gonna use the blues? When are you gonna actually use the blues? I don't see any situation. Sure, for breaking glass. I mean, not glass. I thought it was glass at first, but I was informed that they are actually ice, not glass. Which bums me out. Wow. But that's okay. Why did they use ice? They should have used glass. In fact, they should just use metal. If they don't have metal, then just keep using stone for literally everything. I mean, come on, pigs. Even I could do better than that. If I was your king, you know what? Never back down, never. What? I'm sorry. Don't eat me. You. No. I got this. Ad time. Okay, I watched an ad off screen because it is unauthorized. Or whatever you call it. Unauthorized. I don't know. Advertisement. Okay, there we go. Woo-wee! Oh, I love this new song. Normally I wasn't able to play Ingrid the Bird. Do I want Big Guy or Stella? Hey, that's the name of my old dog that passed away. No, I'm not joking about that. I'm gonna have to go Big Guy. Big Guy. Big Guy. Big Guy, SpongeBob, Big Guy, Pantoken. You know what's funny? I just finished watching, Angry Birds 2 movie on YouTube. This is funny. Because I'm playing the second game. Rovio, if you're listening to this, bring back the first one, or at least bring back Space. Now, you can't trick me, Rovio. Oh yeah. Okay, this one calls for big guy. Big guy. Big guy. Big guy, SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, I'm okay. Damn it. Stupid big guy. Big guy. Big guy. Big guy when? I hate you. Big guy. Big guy. Big guy. Big guy, SpongeBob, big. I'ma quit, bruh. I like that they got rid of the energy system and brought back the hearts. Okay, Bomb, you're up, bro. Okay. Boy, don't mess this up. I got my eye on you. One eye open when I'm sleeping. One eye. Okay, Bo. What was that? Genuine headshot. Okay, there we go. That kind of worked in my favor. Big guy, what was that? One eye open when I'm sleeping. I don't have Facebook. And even if I did, I wouldn't post on it. Isn't that right, Verity? Oh, wait. He's not here today. One eye open when I'm sleeping. I know in the future, I'm gonna get verified. But only time will not tell. Because it never tells anything. It can't speak, dammit. Time for big guy. There we go. Good job, big guy. One. Ta-da! Yeah, I like how they recommended Bomb first. His eye open when he's asleep. Well, that was short-lived. I'm Zomboss, bro. Save my changes. Ooh, yeah, that's so good. Bomb. Now I need to open this egg. Coco. My baby. Wait. Zomboss movie. How do you spell movie? Oh, Zomboss movie. Because we have a show, we need a movie, bro. The Zomboss movie will hatch in... Okay, there you go. So, Zomboss movie. Let's go, gang. Hat shop. You know I'm gonna get a hat from my boy Red. No, I'm not getting the one for the blues. Party hat set. Ooh, I got 20 black pearls. Come on, I don't want this hat, bro. Oh, whatever. Come on, hat, bro. I don't want this hat. Get me out of here. I got it. Oh no, this is the worst. The school hat set. Oh no, hell. Alright, let's dress up. Okay, do it, bro. Spinning. Knowing pigs, he won't give me much. See? Look at that. Only 10. Sure. Call it fair. Halloween hat set. Vampire. Terrence. Tantorino. Tantarus. Tantaranus. Tantosaurus Rex. Valentine's. Bro, where's the one for the USA? USA. 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 I'm gonna buy a hat for a bomb. Look at him go. Look at him go. I'm gonna buy a hat for Teron. Let's go. Let's go. What's this? Number. Ta 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 ra ta 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 ta. Come on, Zomboss movie. Smoothie. God, I have to fight another boss again with this ring. I'm gonna use big boy for this one. Big guy. Just kidding. This medium guy. Fat guy. Fat guy. Fat guy. Fat guy, yo. No. It's not over. Oh, wait. Now, never utter endega bomb 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 Iran bomb 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 Iran. Look at him go, bro. Oh, strike, nice. Oh yeah, look at him go. No, not King Pig. Yeah, Pigga. I got that from Minecraft. New Pork City. Or like bacon. All of our food keeps blowing up. No, thank you. Bum 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 I ran. Bum 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 I ran. I'm gonna bomb Iran. I'm gonna bomb Iran. I'm gonna bomb Iran. I just bombed Iran. I'm getting him down, boy. We were never used to daddy. Look at that. Ta-da! Without any bird views, besides red. this last act. I know it was good because I watched it. And unlike some people, I knew that Jax was the one that abstracted. I knew who that monster was because Jax wasn't up there with them. And before that, Jax was there, and he backed out. And for it just had the cut after, you know, it just makes total sense. But for some people who didn't know that the abstracted guy down there was actually Jax, you have to be real stupid for that. But apparently, no one did know that it was him. So I guess I'm one of the lucky people. I'm so cool. They're gonna blame me in the comments. Just kidding, I don't get comments because apparently I'm not famous enough for comments. It's just true. I just never get any comments because I'm not famous enough. And mainly because long form videos are not popular anymore. Am I doing something? What? Okay, that's actually funny. It's called soccer, not football, actually. I'm gonna... You know what? There, I spelled it completely wrong, so I can prove the point. So yeah, I can prove the point, yeah. Let me just wipe this out. It's not even called football. It's called soccer. Football is the brown thing that you throw with. And this is supposed to be white. White and black. Not Brazilian colored or whatever. Whatever. People just don't seem to have manners these days. No. I'm not using what you call football because it's not called football. People know that. Isn't that right, Americans? America! 4th of July, bro. It's not called America. It's not called football. It is simply called soccer. You hear that? Soccer. Fine. You know what? Fine. Oh, it's a ducky ability. But it's soccer balls. Stupid. You guys saw that, right? I tried to throw a bomb, and then the freaking wood piece just... Oh yeah, I'm gonna get in your way, bitch. I swear, bro. Soccer gone to another level. Isn't that right? Soccer. He said yeah. Okay. I know I won't get blamed and flamed and absolutely bodied on by the comments. Because like I said, I'm not famous enough for comments. Even though at the time of this recording, I have 155 subscribers. No, I'm not using that. You're gonna have to pay me. Pay me $1 just for me to use that ability once. There we go. Living spaces. I live in your space. I'm living in your spaces. Give me your space. I genuinely do not know who Shade is. Yeah, I just do not know who Shade is. I mean, I know what she does. Tap, she turns invisible. Well, actually, she goes through objects. Tap again, she goes kaboom. And yeah. Thank God I didn't get a soccer ability. Not whatever you freaks call football. The football is the leather brown thing you throw. Gravity. Such an amazing thing. Ticky, 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 ticky. Good job, Terry. Ticky. I can't right after recording this. Ooh, going a bit farther now. Look at Will. My. No. 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 Number 2, activate the wave ability. Yes. No. I'm not using a bear, bro. I'm gonna have to use the stupid soccer guy. God dang it, yo. I hate you. Okay, Red, you got this. Oh wait, you're big guy. Isn't that right, big guy? Isn't that right, bigger guy? Isn't that right, Nick? Tongue, sahur, ta, sahur, okay, what is genuinely wrong with me? What is wrong with this generation? What in the 67 is this, bro? Lung, cancer. Like, what? No. Bro, I'm not playing the Matilda. Matilda. I'm not playing Matilda. What's the actual... What is this? System update, please. Bro, I just update... Okay. If I update, then my recording will be gone. Your system update is almost complete. Your device will restart to complete the update. Update includes Android security patches. Security patches? I don't need security patches. Rescheduled. Okay, good. Now, how do we play this? First, obviously, we need big guy. What? Okay, bomb. This guy was simply not big enough. And finally, Fred. Well, this is a disaster. Yeah, this isn't gonna go well, bro. Nope. Oh, okay, yeah, there we go. I used the momentum and gravity, but there's still a pig over there. God dang it. Yeah. I lost a life to that. It's not even a natural level, stupid. Whatever. Dun 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 dun. I'm not using the soccer ability belt. I see. Fine, whatever. Okay, then anyway, what was that? Yeah. Bombs away. Bomb, 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 Iran. I'm going to bomb Iran. I'm going to bomb Iran. No, that's a threat to YouTube violations. It's not a threat. Not a threat. Now, time for arguably the best character in the entire game. That is right. The Blues. I'm joking. We gotta go with Stella, my dead dog's name. I know how you work the ground pound. Yeah. Picky. Well, get a high score? Alright, good. Ticky. Oh, that's it, okay. That was easy. But nobody use the bird's abilities. But YouTube Shorts got me banned. He gonna suck. I'm just killing time. Unlike the soccer ball, my ball, yeah, are very bouncy. Are you genuinely kidding me right now? You know what? I'm gonna bomb, and I'm gonna do my team up. I'm gonna pop the kid, bro. Oh yeah. Good even fake cookie. Let's go! I genuinely do not care about sports stuff whatsoever, though. World Cup, more like just kicking a ball around for fun. Well, it's not even fun. It's just kicking a ball around. I don't even like sports. It's literally just hitting the ball, kicking the ball, throwing the ball. It's just not fun, bro. You toss a ball, and your dog gets it and brings it back, you call that fun? Or is it just because your dog's doing a trick you taught them of over 200 times already. Genuinely pisses me off, I don't see the appeal behind sports. Oh, hey, look at this. I can throw a fucking ball. Oh yeah, my first curse word in a video. I don't care. I think my YouTube's at the point where I can curse once a video. I'm pretty sure. That's so goober. You know what? I'm gonna end it right here, guys. Today, actually, I'm so close to the boss. You know, fine, I'll defeat the boss first. And then I'll end with my signature, blah, blah, blah. Or whatever freaking sound I make. Oh yeah, there's that. Jalapeno. 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 Ow. Like some missiles versus the machines. I forgot to do today's sponsor. Raid Shadow Legends. Yes. Raid Shadow Legends is a free to gay. Hello guys. It is me. Welcome. Mark a flyer. Mark my flyer. And the flyer. No. Let gravity do the work. Oh my god. Oh god, shorts has gotten to me, babe. What am I doing? Stop with the goal. 6, 7, Mixed melons, more like 6, 7. That doesn't even sound so good. That doesn't sound like it's 1. Alright, guys. This is my last one before I end with my signature. Blah, blah, blah. Or whatever the frick I make. Tricky. Oh yeah. See that, guys? That's what I call mixed melons. It's gonna end right here. See, I know things. Boink, you're dead. Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's do this right now. That is gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the very oh no. I'll just get rid of this. There we go. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Checky. I'm gonna draw something. Actually, sub to me. So yeah, subscribe to me and like this video. Yeah. Like. Sub to me and like vid. Okay.